Hello, I've got another eBay delivery here. There was a period a few weeks ago now where I saw quite a few reasonable prices for used mini discs, and this was one of the ones I bought. Hello, it's me doing a voiceover. At this point in shooting the video I was quite confused because I don't remember ordering Axia Hello Kitty mini discs. What I thought I'd ordered was Victor mini discs. So at this point I didn't know whether I'd made a mistake or the sender had made a mistake. And in fact I didn't even know what would be in the box. Now, I think these have been opened and never used. And they're spotty ones of different colours. So let's have a look at the blue one. Quite a nice case. So Victor is actually, that's weird, so this is not the box for them. Okay, that makes more sense because I don't remember ordering this box. I'm sure this Axia box is not for these Victor mini discs. So the Victor is the Victor company of Japan, which is JVC, known as JVC in the West. Nice colour on the back. Unusual discs for a start. Oh, there's the labels. Pretty much all in Japanese. There's the J card. Quite plain. Yeah, I really like the look of these. They're not something I've got in my collection already. I suppose it is a collection now, isn't it? Let's leave them out the cases for the time being. There's a green one, I like that one. Is that the same colour? No, so that's a slightly different. Oh, is it the same on the back? Oh, yes, the same inlay card. Yeah, very nice. I don't mind so much if they're being used because they can be reused so as far as Sony are concerned, up to 1 million times. Yeah, I've not had anything unusual like this in my collection so far. So yeah, very nice discs. So quite why these are in a Axia Hello Kitty box, I don't know, but whatever. Very nice video, very nice mini discs. I really like those. So check the description for links to other videos that might relate to this and other links that might be useful. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.